Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we will be unboxing and swatching this set from Born Pretty. Their packages is always nicely secured inside of the mailing package, but I took that off previous because of confidentiality with my address. And it's a set of 6. It is 10 milliliter bottles each, so it's a nice size. 10 mils each. Inside the box, we have the instructions. Always read your instructions because each manufacturer have different directions with their product. Before using any gel polish, we always want to take and roll it like this. You never want to shake it up. That creates bubbles. So you want to take and just roll it between your fingers like that. This is the Born Pretty Neon Pink collection. It comes with a set of 6 colors in hot pink, cherry blossom, strawberry, soft, dark tones. Let's get swatching. We're going to start off with the first one, and it's 10 ml bottles. Remember, when you're polishing with gel, you try to use thin layers. It's usually 2 layers will give you the desired look, but if you are going for a different look, you polish however many layers you need, but most polishes need 2. This is the first one. This is the second shade. This is the third shade. This is the fourth shade. This is the 6th shade. This is only 1 coat, and it's giving. I'm going to go ahead and cure this. Remember, in order for this to dry, it needs a UV or LED lamp. Depending on the strength of your lamp, how long it'll take to cure. So my lamp needed 60 seconds, but this polish can take anywhere from 30 to 120 seconds. So know your lamp so you can know how long it takes to cure. This is only the first coat, and this is, we're going to go in with the second coat. And this is the hot pink collection from Born Pretty. You can find it on Amazon. The link is in the description. You can use code RXNails. You can go over to Born Pretty's website and shop different colors using code RXNails for 10% off. Remember, when you're polishing, to stay with thin layers when using gel polish. Always read your manufacturer's directions. Each product works differently. Know your product. This is the hot pink collection. If you like this set, head over to Amazon or to Born Pretty's website. Fill your card up, enter code RXNails at checkout and receive 10% off. This is the hot pink collection. This is 2 coats. And look at that. Born Pretty polish is like butter. Let's cure this. Remember, always add a top coat as your final layer. Give it a nice shine and protect your color. Or if you want to do a matte look, either way, it will need a top coat to protect your color. Do you guys like this hot pink collection? Let me know in the comment section. This hot pink is my favorite. Of course, y'all know pink is my favorite color. And I love me a good hot pink. And you can't go wrong with a glitter, right? Remember, when shopping Born Pretty's website, use code RXNails at checkout to receive 10% off your purchase. After you put your top coat, you're going to cure this as well. This is the final look. This is the hot pink Born Pretty's collection. 6 bottles, 10 milliliters each. If you like these beautiful colors or any color from the Born Pretty collection, you can go over to the website, enter code RXNails at checkout and receive 10% off your purchase. Don't forget, on Mondays and Wednesdays at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, I have a premiere. If you have not liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section how you like these colors. That's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.